my name is Charlie. I am here with Leah. We are here to present the CPS Friday News. We are here in a 150-year-old building. Today we are presenting the 3,4-D Filipino facts. Hello, Cody.
106 million people live in the Philippines and it's right there.
There are 7,641 islands there. In the Philippines, they have 3 islands: Luzon, Values, and Mindoro. A line is called Kalmati in the Philippines, and Kalmati is a drink in the Philippines too. On the flag, red bit is pointing up in the Philippines means it's in war. And when the blue is pointing up, it means it's in peace. And the 3 stars on the flag stand for the 3 islands, and the big star in the middle stands for the sun. Yous are in peace and I'm in war, and this is the Kalmati juice recipe.
If the red on the flag is facing to the left, it means they're in war. And the national animal is an eagle.
They have 2 seasons, wet and dry. They also have very big storms like a cyclone.
They do the most texting. Camel Star. In the Philippine numbers are different to Australia. These are the Philippine numbers: Isa, Dalawa, and Tolo. Isa is 1, Dalawa is 2, and Tolo is 3. The bus is called jeepneys. Jeepneys are made out of World War II military parts.
Take it away, Leah.
Okay, dokie. Hi, Mom. Can you please tell me a fact about the Philippines?
Okay. Terraces are big steps on rice fields made out of rocks and mud. Tuk-tuks are motorbikes with roofs. These are the terraces on the rice field, and this is a tuk-tuk.
Hello. In the Philippines, they have chocolate hills. They are called chocolate hills because it's grass all over the hills, and in the dry season, the grass goes brown. This is the chocolate hills. There are 300 volcanoes in the Philippines. There are 22 active volcanoes and 288 dormant volcanoes, which means they don't erupt anymore. In Filipinos, their favourite sport is basketball, and they play on the streets. The sea gypsies are people who live in houses over the water. They only come to land to build boats and bury the dead. The national fruit is mango.
They weave baskets.
The calabar helps around the farm, and it is the national animal.
Paalam, which means goodbye in the Philippines.
Paalam!